today is my last day in the US. 24 hours from now, I will be at my layover in Atlanta, getting ready to board my flight to Korea. Still doesn't feel real, but at least I am packed and ready to go. I got my negative COVID results last night, so nothing's gonna be stopping me from getting on that plane. Okay, y'all, smile for the vlog. Hey y'all, don't look at me too much, I'm a mess. Just got in to South Korea, actually got in about 5. It's about, I think, 9 p.m. or a bit after. But I want to show you what my room looks like at the hotel we're staying at overnight. In case you didn't know, coming to Korea right now, everyone is mandated to do 10 days of quarantine. And so normally you'd come to that hotel, they would do like a nose swab, get you COVID tested, and then you'd stay here for 10 days. Because we're with Fulbright, we're just getting tested here overnight and then we'll go quarantine on the campus that's hosting us. But I thought I would just show you what my room's like tonight. So quick, because I want to go to bed, but front door when you come in, closet that I will not be using because I'm not unpacking my suitcases for an overnight, but sink right there, bathroom on this side. We got a bidet and a shower that I will be utilizing later because I've been in an airplane for over 15 hours today. A little kind of kitchenette station, has like a little coffee pot. And then the bedroom, I think this is set up so that if like a family has to quarantine here together, there's enough rooms. So we got the bunk bed, we got a chair there, a bed, and then another mattress with a blanket. But the one thing I really wanted to show y'all was the quarantine food that we got. Some of the other Fulbrighters are at different hotels, and so every hotel has something different, but basically some snacks to get us overnight. If you're staying long term at the hotel, they'll deliver 3 meals a day, but since we're overnight, this is what we got. We got some Cheetos, snack ramen, drinks, we got some orange juice, And then best of all, we have kimbap. I'm so excited. I haven't eaten dinner yet, so that'll be super yummy. Anyway, this is where I'm staying tonight. Just a quick little hotel room tour. See ya. Good morning. Just woke up in Korea. More specifically, I'm in Yongin, Gyeonggi-do, I'm pretty sure. We drove here from Incheon last night, got tested, and stayed overnight at this hotel. I just got a call saying my COVID results are negative, so we'll be leaving pretty soon to head to Jungwon University, which is the university hosting us during our orientation here in Korea. Just wanted to do a quick update. Oh, you can see Korea behind me. Yeah, basically all packed up. They told us to wait outside our room at 7:50 and then someone will come and get us. But had a good night's sleep, thankfully. I woke up about 4 a.m. Korea time, wide awake. I was able to go back to sleep, but then when I woke up at like 6:30 Korea time, I was groggy. So still a little bit groggy right now, but up and going. I'll probably end up falling asleep later today, but good thing is we don't have anything planned today. Just chilling in our room once we get there, and kind of similar thing tomorrow, but it's good to be here. I'll keep you updated on what's going on. Bye.